All right, the next product we're going to be talking about on the JimboDaily.com website is a product that I've talked about before. A lot of people know about it. It's this behemoth of a bag. This is the Jimbo Kit from Autofiber. So this is a nice big bag of towels. Now in the future, I'm probably going to offer individual towels, especially like the window towels I like and stuff like that. But my favorite window towels that I originally started out with are actually in this Jimbo Kit. In fact, they're right here on top, so I'll pull it out. But I'll link another video. These super silky towels are phenomenal for windows and no one talks about it. It's freaking crazy. But also there's other little accessories in this Jimbo Kit, like these cool little scrubbers. Perfect for leather seats. Perfect to pair it up with the red cleaner from Coats if you choose to do so. So that's nice. And basically the Jimbo Kit is a collection of towels that I hand selected from Autofiber. So I tested all the towels they had, everything they had to offer. I had Ian send them all down to me. And then I went through, and whether I was doing a rinseless wash or I was doing, I feel like I need to hold it. So whether I was doing a rinseless wash or I was doing a traditional car wash or I was cleaning rims, as you see there's black towels in here for cleaning rims because I didn't want to ruin the orange towels or the purple towels or the blue towels. I didn't want to ruin those. But then there's also a really nice mixture of super plush towels, and then there's more all-purpose towels, thinner, edgeless. There's silk-lined edges. There's pretty much everything, every towel you need is in this kit. Now you may need more of them, but the reason why I wanted to put this Jimbo Kit together was so that you could sample a lot of towels that Autofiber offers, and then from there make your selection on which ones you wanted more of. So again, Jimbo Daily, the vision behind it and the vision behind the podcast and all that is that so that you can kind of dwindle down and you can kind of filter through the junk products and the good products, and the Jimbo Kit fits directly into that. It gives you a nice sampling of my favorite towels that may not be your favorite towels. But you can sample them in this kit. So, and the kit is extremely well priced. You saved about 20-25 bucks versus if you were to buy them individually. And the little flyer that comes inside of it also has all the towels laid out and the purposes that I use them for. Now, fair enough, you may use these towels for different reasons. These are simply just the reasons or the ways I use them. But again, as you can see, it's, you know, what are we looking at? 1, 2, 3, 6 different towels, 1 accessory. So it's gonna give you a nice wide variety of towels for you to test, try, see what you like, and then you can order more from there. Again, getting into being able to, you know, let you try everything out, let you sample it to see what you like, so that you don't end up wasting thousands and thousands of dollars on products that you don't even like. I'm not going to embarrass myself and try to put that back in the bag then. It's also an incredible feat of packing ability on Autofiber that they were able to get all this into a nice little bag. On the last video I did for the towels, I took everything out and then I went to go put it back in and I couldn't get them back in at all. So anyway, there's that. So the Autofiber Jimbo Kit of towels is available on the Jimbo Daily site. And again, a really nice way for you to sample out a lot of towels without spending hundreds of dollars. That's not what this is about, wasting a ton of money on products. This is the products that work best. So that's what I have on JimboDaily.com. It's simply the best products in my opinion. Hope you'll check it out, JimboDaily.com.